Hey everybody, today we are going to focus on subtracting polynomials. And we're going to use a lot of the same techniques that we used last week when we were doing addition of polynomials. We've got to deal with the subtraction symbol here. We're going to talk about how to get that fixed here in just a second. But just like in adding polynomials, we want to identify which terms we're going to be combining at the end. So we're going to look for like terms. And in this case, 7x and 2x are a like term because they have the same variable and same exponent. These both have an exponent of 1. And then we're also going to look at combining positive 4 and the term that's negative 8 right now. Okay, those are going to be like terms. Okay, so we're going to combine these two at some point and these two at some point. But first we've got to deal with this. And that subtraction symbol causes a little bit of issues because some people look at it and think, well, it's just subtracting 2x. That's pretty easy. But it's not. It's subtracting 2x and it's also subtracting negative 8. So there's an easier way to do that, and that's by changing the signs inside this parenthesis. So we're going to show you what that looks like, and you just follow along. It's actually an example that was given on Google Classroom description today. So I just wanted to give you a real-world kind of example of what it looks like when we're actually doing it. So the first thing you're going to notice is that we're not really changing this first polynomial very often. Okay, it's going to stay where it's at. Okay. The key to being able to change the symbols is to do this. Subtraction can be written like this, plus a negative, which we know that. We've talked about that in class, right? Subtraction is the same thing as plus a negative, all right? The key is that it's how does it affect this polynomial here, and it affects it because we're going to use negative as a negative 1, okay? So we end up having this term, and now what we're going to do is we're going to distribute this term, negative 1, to everything inside the parentheses. Okay, so we got this, and we've got that. So we got a little bit of simplifying to do here. Again, this polynomial is going to stay the same. The addition symbol stays, but we're going to look at negative 1 times 2x. Well, negative 1 times any number is going to be this number with the opposite sign. So right now it's positive 2x, so it's going to change to negative 2x. Negative 1 times negative 8, this sign is going to change, and it's going to change from a negative to a positive. So if you look, what we've really done is we just changed the signs of these two numbers, and now we're adding them. Now we're adding, and we can do exactly like we did last week. We're going to rewrite these with our like terms together, so 7x plus a negative 2x, not a very good plus sign, okay? Then plus, and then these two terms, 4 and 8. 4 plus 8, okay? And as we do that, 7x plus a negative 2x, that's the same thing as 7x minus 2x. If you need to use a calculator, obviously feel free to do that. Plus, these two numbers combined, 4 plus 8 is 12. So this simplifies this expression up here. So 7x plus 4 minus 2x minus 8 simplifies to 5x plus 12. I'm going to do one other one here real quick. Okay. We're going to do this one right here. We're going to do negative 3x plus 7 minus a negative 5x, oops, sorry, I can't see that, my bad, minus 4. A lot of negative symbols flying around in that one, but that's okay. We're going to simplify them here pretty quick. So just like we did last time, we're going to just rewrite this first one. Okay. We're going to change this symbol right here to plus a negative. Remember last time we put a 1 right here, so we're going to put a 1. I'm going to put it with blue again. And then that's going to be times negative 5x minus 4. Okay. We distribute this, negative 1, to both terms. Okay. So again, this just gets rewritten. Like I said, that's going to happen a lot. Plus stays. Negative 1 times negative 5x just changes the sign to positive 5x. And negative 1 times negative 4 just changes that sign to positive 4. Okay. rewrite our terms that we need to combine. We're going to combine these two right here. Negative 3x plus 5x plus these two terms combined here. 7 plus 4. Okay. And when we simplify this, negative 3x plus 5x is 2x. Okay. Plus 7 plus 4 is 11. So the original expression subtraction, negative 3x plus 7 minus negative 5x minus 4, simplifies to 2x plus 11. As always, if you have questions or need any help, make sure you ask your teacher. Keep up the good work. We're really proud of you.